Now let's talk about operator overloading. Okay, I found Python approach the operator overloading to be brilliant. To overload an operator means to give it a meaning according to the context in which it's used. Let's create a new file called operator_overloading.py in OP folder. Then say class word define an init method self a and where s self.s equals to s, then self length self parameter return the length of self.s okay, and finally let's define bool self return 42 in self.s like this. For example, world equal to world hello, I am 9 years old. Print and length of world, and also print bool of world. Okay, let's execute it. What is returning clear by OP operator. So the length of the sentence is 34 characters, and it returns false for the bool method because 42 is not in the methods, right? Let's try another example. For example, 42 years old. So where to. Let's secure it, and now you will see it has 25 characters and true because 42 is in the sentence. Okay, this is operator overloading. Now we can talk about polymorphism. Okay, just a brief overview because in Python things are different. Polymorphism is implicit. Nothing prevents you from calling a method on an object. Therefore, technically, there is no need to implement these interfaces or other patterns. So, let's continue with the other subject, with this data classes. Let's demonstrate this with an example called data classes, data class.py. Okay, I wanna import data classes, import data class. Of course, here is from data classes, import data class. I'll say data class body. Okay, adopt here and saying class to represent physical body. Okay, name str mass load equal to 0 point. Okay? Be careful with this underscore. Now speed equal to flow equal to 1 point. Okay? Of course, this is in kilograms, and this one is in meters over seconds. Now define kinetic energy. Like this, kinetic energy, we will receive a float. We would return a float. Return self dot mass times self dot speed with the power of 2 and over 2. Okay, self is coming from here. Now let's execute it with a simple example saying call body equal to body ball 19 kilograms with a power with a speed of 3.14. Let me remember body. Okay, mass with speed, right? 14, 15. Print body dot kinetic energy and print body. Let's execute it. Data class, and you've got here the kinetic energy. This is 93 and whatever, and also our body is printing ball mass 19 and speed 3.14 15. Let's remember your basic classes. Kinetic energy is in joules. Okay. Mass in kilograms, speed in meters over seconds, energy in joules. That's it.